Smoke barbecue, baby. A lot of noise. Planes, trains, automobiles. Got some workers next door working on some stuff, but we got some ribs cooking up. Yeah, check it out. Yeah. Okay, just got some seasonings in this grinder. Pepper. Got some rosemary. Not gonna add any salt yet. And I got like this cilantro, citrus lime type of rub, mojo style. I got a second rack right here, holding them up by two hickory logs, which I'm probably not going to use because I think these are kiln dried, and I don't like using kiln dried. But see what I'm doing right here? I'm blocking my airflow a little bit. I'm choking it up. I'm choking it up from here. I'm gonna fire my water pan going right over my wood. Instead of putting the water pan in the pit, I'm gonna put that water pan right there. Got a nice big chunk of wood going. More water in my water pan now. We're gonna close her up, bring her up to temp. A lot of smoke isn't coming out, obviously, of the stack. Even if I have it wide open, it's coming out, but it's coming out nice and slow, and I like that. A lot of it's coming out by volume, but the volume is slowest. YOOOOOSH. Smoke on barbecue, baby. All right, getting the fire started early in the morning. All the bark off. I don't use that bark. Some of you like it. I used to use it, and after a while cooking with it, I decided not to use the bark. Hear that boiling sound and see what's coming out of the wood? That's sap. That's what you want to get going. YOOOOOSH, we're back. All right, got 175. I don't mind that right now. Okay, she's gonna go up and she might go down from there, but that's good because that's where I'm gonna get smoke into the meat. I don't want a lot of airflow. YOOOOOSH, they're going. Yeah. So just got back from the gym. It's been about an hour and a half, maybe an hour and 20 minutes. Spraying them down, getting my fire stoked up again. We'll be back. Looking good, smelling great. Yeah, let's do a little drive-by. YOOOOOSH.